Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we dive into the latest digital marketing strategies to skyrocket your business. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of Google My Business 2.0 and how AI is revolutionizing local search rankings. So, buckle up and let's get started. First things first, let's get a quick overview of Google My Business. It's a powerful tool by Google that helps local businesses connect with customers. With GMB, you can manage your online presence across Google, including search and maps. Now, enter AI, the game changer. AI has transformed how we approach SEO and local search rankings. But how? Let's find out. Google My Business 2.0 is not just about updating your business info. It's about leveraging AI to optimize your listing. AI algorithms analyze search patterns, suggest keywords, and even help in managing reviews more effectively. Alright, let's get practical. Here are some top tips to use AI in your Google My Business listing to boost your local search ranking. 1. Optimize your profile with AI recommended keywords. 1. Utilize AI tools for responding to reviews. 1. Leverage AI insights for better local SEO strategies. Don't just take our word for it. Here are some success stories from businesses that harness the power of AI with Google My Business 2.0. As we look into the future, AI's role in local search is only going to grow. The possibilities are endless, and it's an exciting time for businesses like yours to jump on board. That's a wrap on today's episode about Google My Business 2.0 and AI. I hope you found these insights helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content on mastering digital marketing. Until next time, keep optimizing.